Hello and welcome to my channel Sam Biology Class. Friends, today we will discuss about vermiculture and vermicomposting. Before that, I request all of my friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also watch, like and share my videos with your friends. Vermiculture and vermicomposting are related but distinct processes. The term vermin is derived from a Latin word vermis. Vermis means means worms, such as earthworms, such as earthworms. Vermiculture or vermiculture is the culture of earthworms. It is the scientific method of cultivation and breeding of earthworms. Its main aim is to increase the worm population for various purposes such as vermicomposting. On the other hand, vermicomposting is the decomposition of organic waste into nutrient-rich fertilizer known as vermicompost by using certain species of earthworms. So vermicomposting is a specific application of vermiculture. Earthworms are terrestrial invertebrates. Earthworms are the terrestrial invertebrates belonging to the phylum Annelida. Belonging to the phylum Annelida. There are three types of earthworms. Number one, epigeics. Number two, endogeics. Number two, endogeics. And number three, NS6. And number three, NS6. Earthworms living in the upper surface of the soil are known as epigeics, and those living in the subsoil are known as endogeics. The term NS6 includes different types of earthworms that live in deep soil. All the three types are responsible for increasing soil fertility. Only epigeic earthworms are preferred for vermicomposting. Epigeic earthworms such as Eisenia fetida, Eisenia andrei, Eisenia andrei, Eudrilus, Eugenie, and Pyrionix excavatus are commonly used for vermicomposting. As already said, vermiculture is the culture of earthworms that aims at increasing the worm population for sustainable harvest. The harvested worms can be used for vermicomposting or can be sold for various purposes. The process of vermiculture involves the cultivation of epigeic species of earthworms in a controlled environment by feeding them suitable organic waste. During this process, worms consume organic waste, grow and reproduce. As a result, their population increases. So the main aim of vermiculture is to produce more worms which can be used for different purposes. On the other hand, vermicomposting is a related but distinct process that involves the decomposition of organic waste into vermicompost by using different species of earthworms. It contains essential nutrients and beneficial microorganisms. Vermiculture and composting can be carried out on a small scale or commercially. These are the key components of a composting unit. First, composting system. Second, bedding material. Third, earthworms, and fourth, food source. Food source for earthworm include different types of organic waste such as food scrap, vegetable waste, crop residue, slurry from biogas plant, animal dungs and other. That is composting system. Composting system is a container of suitable dimension. It can be a bin or a stack of trays or even any other container. This figure shows a composting unit. Nearer to its bottom, a plastic mesh has been placed so that some space will be left at the bottom. This space will be used to collect worm tea that will come down through the pores of the mesh during the process of decomposition. First of all, a worm bed is prepared at the bottom by taking different substances such as shredded paper, cardboard, sugarcane trash, paddy husk and coir waste. This is the worm bed. This is the worm bed. After this, a thin layer of soil is spreaded over the bed. A thin layer of soil is spreaded over the bed and the humidity is maintained at 40 to 45%. 45%. This is followed by the addition of different types of waste. As already said, organic waste such as vegetable waste, crop residues, food scrap, slurry from biogas plant, animal dungs and others are used as organic waste for vermicomposting. So after addition of the waste, the system is left behind for 2 weeks. During this period, this organic waste will be partially decomposed. During this process, the temperature of the bedding will rise to 50 to 55 degrees centigrade. 50 to 55 degrees centigrade. In order to eliminate harmful microorganisms, neem cake is usually added to the composting unit. After the temperature is lowered to 30 degrees centigrade, earthworms are introduced. Around 500 earthworms are required for decomposition of 100 kg of organic waste. After earthworms are introduced into the composting unit, the system is covered by jute cloth. Vermicomposting usually requires 2 months. During this period, earthworms consume different types of organic waste and digest them and absorb the essential nutrients through their intestine. After absorption, the remaining undigested material is expelled to the outside through anus. This undigested material is known as vermicast. This undigested material is known as vermicast. The vermicast, along with any other partially decomposed substance that remain within the system, together constitute the vermicompost. During the process of decomposition, the worm tea which is made comes down through the pores and is collected at the bottom, which can then be removed by a tap. It is a liquid fertilizer. After vermicomposting is completed, the vermicompost is taken and spreaded over a plastic sheet as a heap. When the heap is exposed to sunlight, the earthworms which are present in this compost start moving down. This is because earthworms are sensitive to sunlight, so they will move downward, after which the upper surface, which contains only vermicompost, can be collected. After the collection of vermicompost, the earthworms can be reintroduced into the composting unit along with different types of organic waste for another cycle of vermicomposting to take place. Friends, this is all about vermiculture and vermicomposting. For more updates, subscribe my YouTube channel, Sam Biology Class.